Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view old emails in Outlook. If you've ever needed to find an old receipt, revisit an important conversation, recover project details, or look back through years of email history, this tutorial is going to save you a lot of time. Instead of endlessly scrolling through thousands of messages, I'll show you how to quickly rearrange your inbox so your oldest emails appear first. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Give Outlook a moment to fully load your mailbox and synchronize your emails, especially if you have a large inbox or multiple accounts connected. If you use more than one email account inside Outlook, make sure you select the correct account where the older emails are stored. Each account has its own folders and inbox structure, so choosing the right one first will make the process much smoother. Once you're inside the correct mailbox, click on your inbox. This is usually the best place to start because most people keep the majority of their messages there. However, keep in mind that the exact same method also works in folders like Sent Items, Drafts, Deleted Items, Archive, or any custom folders you've created over time. Now we're going to adjust the sorting order of your emails. Look toward the top of your message list for the Sort option. Depending on your version of Outlook, this may appear as a button labeled Sort, Arrange by, Filter, or it may simply display the current sorting method such as Date. In some layouts, it appears directly above the email list, while in others it may be located under the View tab near the top of the Outlook window. If you don't immediately see it, try maximizing or expanding the Outlook window slightly, because some controls are hidden in smaller layouts. Go ahead and click the Sort option. A drop-down menu will appear showing different ways to organize your inbox. From the list, choose Arrange by Date if it isn't already selected. After that, look for the option called Oldest on Top, Ascending, or Reverse Sort Order depending on your Outlook version. Click that option. As soon as you do this, Outlook will instantly reorganize your emails so the oldest messages appear first instead of the newest ones. This makes it incredibly easy to jump back to the beginning of your email history without scrolling forever. You may also notice a small arrow next to the Date heading in your inbox. If the arrow points upward, that usually means the oldest emails are displayed first. If it points downward, Outlook is showing the newest emails first. Simply clicking the arrow will reverse the order. Now let's talk about a few additional tips that can make searching through old emails even easier. If Conversation View is enabled in Outlook, your emails may still appear grouped into conversation threads. That's completely normal. Outlook will organize the conversations based on the oldest message date, while still keeping replies and forwards connected together. This can actually be very useful because it allows you to follow the full history of an email discussion in one place. Another helpful feature is the search bar at the top of Outlook. Once your emails are sorted oldest first, you can combine that with keyword searches to narrow down results even faster. For example, you could search for a company name, invoice number, project title, or sender name while keeping your inbox arranged chronologically. This is especially useful if you're trying to recover old business communication or locate archived information quickly. Also, if you use Focused Inbox, remember that both the Focused and Other tabs will follow the sorting order you selected, so don't forget to check both tabs if you think an older email may not appear immediately. When you're finished reviewing older emails, you can always switch your inbox back to the normal layout. Simply return to the Sort menu and select Newest on Top again. That will restore the traditional inbox view most people use every day. And that's it. Open Outlook, go to your inbox, click the Sort option, arrange your emails by date, and choose Oldest on Top to instantly access older messages without endless scrolling. It's a simple feature, but it can save a huge amount of time when searching through years of email history. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Outlook tips, productivity guides, and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.